Yo, what's going on, guys? So here's a little vlog from me, Corolla Custom. So today I had to go to Richmond Hill, New York to pick up some siding for the garage. It should have been done, it should be finished by tomorrow, but apparently things have been delayed, so it's not getting finished tomorrow, sometime next month it should be done. But here's where we at right now. This is what it looks like so far. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna zoom in. So as you can see, the whole thing is put up. See if I can get a full view for you guys. It's pretty big. So we're gonna walk inside. That's the new siding that I picked up at in New York. Picked it up to bring it for them so they can do it. They just put in that window. This is the inside pretty much. It's gonna be freaking huge. You know? Look at the ceilings. Look at how they're arched. Yep. And then right over here I have the Mustang. This is the Mustang that I bought. Purchased this. I fixed it. I still have to wet sand this area because the clear coat got over. But this is where I initially repaired. So it's pretty good. It came out really good. I just have to wet sand it with 2000 grit and give it a good buff on the door, and it should be fine. This is a good little take of how the Mustang is. Yep, so I cannot wait till this garage is finished so I can start doing work. It's taking a little too long and it's kind of riding my patience a little bit, but whatever, I'll take my time with it. It's kind of taking too long and my patience is getting lower and lower and lower, but it's cool. So basically what I'm gonna do is we'll probably put the toolboxes and stuff in that corner right over there and set it up. I'll also get someone to make me a custom workbench as well as shelves to put inside. And yeah, guys, I'm really excited. This is gonna turn out cool. In a very short period of time, I will have an actual workable garage that I can work in. Like this shit is freaking huge. Look how far I am right now. You know, it's a big 2-car garage, and I can just work on my cars and do projects. I have so much projects coming up for you guys with the Chevy Avalanche, with this Mustang. I have little projects here and there to do. I have the backup camera to put on this Avalanche. I have so many projects for you guys. I have the Avalanche backup camera to install. I have the maintenance to do on this truck, such as the spark plugs, the shocks, the brakes, the rotors, all those good stuff. So I'm gonna save that for you guys. I can't wait to finish till this garage is done so I can actually do the work to show you. I want to give you like a full in-depth review of the Avalanche because I love this thing so much. I'm trying to balance this. Yeah, so what the hell is this? Yeah, guys, I also have a review coming up with a meter. It's a pH meter, so I'm going to show you how to check the pH balance of your coolant and your brake fluid. That can actually easily tell you if it should be changed or not. It'll show you the acidity and show you if it's acidic or not. So yeah, guys, these things are really cool. Thank you to Meter State for sending me a free meter to do a review on it, so I will be doing that soon. I'm actually appreciative that these guys are taking the time out of their, days to look at someone who isn't that big on YouTube as of yet and send me things to review. It shows me hope that sometime in the future that my YouTube channel will grow and things will be good. So stay tuned for all my reviews and stay tuned for upcoming videos, guys. Peace.